ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 36 Linking Forms. Instead of creating a form with a subform within it, it is possible to create two forms which are separate but which link together. The main form will be viewed, and when a record is chosen, a button can be pressed which will open up the linked form where the relevant related data will be displayed. This approach is very useful when the main form contains a large amount of information and the addition of a subform would clutter the screen. Okay, so let's open the contacts database. If at the top you get a security warning displayed, select Enable Content to allow this feature to work. Select the Create tab and click Form Wizard from the Forms group. From the People table, add all of the fields except for Contact ID. From the Meetings table, add all of the fields except the two ID fields. Click Next. Select to view the data by people and using linked forms. Click Next. For the first form, enter a title of People Linked and Meetings for the second form. Click Finish and the form will appear. If, as in our case, Access creates a form title which obscures the button, so in that case switch to Design View and drag the title to the right. Then switch back to Form View. This button is the Linking Forms button. Let's select record number 6 and click on the Meetings button to open up the linked form under another tab. The Meetings form may need reformatting. So, Design View, let's widen here, let's also widen here as well, and then back to Form View. Now let's display the People Linked form again, and this time let's select a different record. The records displayed in the linked Meetings form also change, as can be seen. OK, close both forms, saving if prompted, and then let's close the database. OK, that's it for Lesson 36, Linking Forms. And now we have introduced all new topics from Section 5, and your job now is the two revision exercises at the end of this section. Those in the book are down as Lesson 37 and also Lesson 38. OK, best of luck with your two revision exercises, and I look forward to seeing you next time.